Man from Rivers State don't come outside though. The man don't cry. You say that the house where their people seized from Igbo people during after the war. He say as in the talk right now, in check say all the whole house Igbo people don't buy am back. Things are happening. As we dey talk now, they say that one village for inside the place where they call Haji Egbema for Imo State, where be say this community get oil, many oil. They say more than 70 oil well are in this community, but this community don't even have electricity and good roads. Things are happening. However, my people, let's go and find out how this intake they happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today na the first time we they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, let's quickly jump into the matter and know what thing they go on today. As we they talk now, they say those houses where they collect from Igbos all over Nigeria after the war. They say that the Igbos don't buy the whole house. So this our brother don't cry, come outside. They say me in brother, when in reverse brother, no they say house, they give Igbos. I beg, I want me to judge this matter. Watch this video and don't forget to share them immediately when you watch. Watch and we'll come back and continue.
My dear brothers in Rivers State, it is really sad to note that all the houses sold through abandoned property, all the houses our parents bought through abandoned property are now being bought again by the Igbos. The same properties we bought through abandoned property, the Igbos are buying them. Not only in Port Harcourt, but even in Lagos. Tomorrow I go talk. Say, they're not full everywhere. You are selling back your properties to them. You are selling back your properties to them. The Igbos are buying our properties. Tomorrow they say they cheat you before they buy them. Now with your koro eye, your koro eye, you are selling all your father's properties to the Igbos. You are selling all your properties to the Igbos. Tomorrow they tell me say Igbo man a corny man, Igbo man a cheater, Igbo man a this, Igbo man a that, Igbo man a that, Igbo man a this. Yet you are selling almost 70% of the houses that you bought through abandoned property back to the same people that originally built them, back to the same people that originally owned them, back to the same people that originally you accused of stealing your commonwealth to build. Your father has thought they were smart, but you have proven to your fathers that you are not smart. Your head is dull. That is the reason you are selling everything your father bought to abandoned property to the Igbo man. The Igbo man that truly owned them, that truly built them. Is the God asleep? God didn't sleep. God didn't sleep. That is what is in vogue in Rivers State. The Igbos are buying almost everywhere, developing everywhere. I'm not going to talk to them now. Tomorrow I'm going to say they claim they are not getting Rivers State. But you are the same people that are selling your properties. You are the same people that are selling your houses to them. I don't hate the Igbo man, but the Igbo man is a very intelligent and smart man. Today they buy. Tomorrow when you almost buy everywhere, you want to fight and back. That time go worry you. That time you go worry you. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say I did not tell you. Keep on selling them. Sell everything you have. Sell it to them. They are not business with that. Sell them.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg don't forget to drop your own opinion regarding this thing where this our brother talk for inside this video. What the advice you get to tell him? If you get the one way you want sell, me bring come outside, we want buy safe. However, let's jump into the next matter where we get for hand. They say for Egbema, for the place where they call Ohaji Egbema, they say this place where would they tell you now they get oil, like say they take now water. And the worst part of it be say they not get light, but the light of that oil, you know, they offer. Oh, this happen. Let us play the video. May you watch before we come back and continue.
Good day. Good day, everyone. I'm about to show you people something everyone really needs to be aware of. This is, as you can see, a new oil company called Sterling Glover. Drilling new, should I say drilling oil in Obiti, Ohaji. This is a new company. So far, so good. They've discovered 8 oil wells here. They started drilling, I think, last year or so, 2023, from my gatherings. They already have 8 oil wells stock. And from my findings, I heard from my little investigation, and then as I came here, I heard that there are over 75 oil wells scattered around this area. You can see they have about 3 to 4 turbines here around this place. There is 24 hours electricity, but when you go into the village, there is what they call abject poverty in this very village, this Obiti village. They don't even have electricity at all. They don't have electricity wire. Talk more of seeing it 24 hours. They are complaining that their people are not working in this company already. Well, there are 8 discovered. They've discovered 8 oil wells already. Nothing is happening. Just nothing is happening. They are not getting anything at all as it stands. This is how it begins. Before you know it, now the youth will become restive and carry guns. I mean, seek for solution. So they go about it the way they think they could go to get whatever they want. But if this company at this early stage could give the community what they rightfully deserve, there's electricity that are about 3 to 4 turbines they are wasting. Why not extend it to the village? Extend it to the village. Let everybody there have light. Why not build their roads? Why not employ their youths? Why not make their life very easy, and then so that you can have a free access to the oil? Build them schools, build them hospitals, and all what have you. Make them live comfortable life. So this is once again in Obiti, already discovered 8 oil wells. It's already discovered here in Obiti. Obiti is in Ohajebema is in current Imo State. And Imo State is in the heart of Biafra land. This is a report compiled by Umuchukwu writers. I am reporting to you right from Ohajebema. This report will be published in a week or so. This is the month of March 2024. I won't be giving date for security reasons, but as soon as this very video is published, you will know that it's already a week from the day it was recorded for security reasons. Thank you very much. This is Umuchukwu Writers reporting. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, so you don't hear them. The people will get oil, will get something, where they drag the thing, where they no want to make Biafra go, the thing will make them no one make they divide the country, the thing will they chop. But that place, nothing. Waiting God they bless them for their own land, but they know they enjoy them. No light for that community. If you are from Ohaji Ebema, please, for inside Imo State, come outside for this video. Come let us know what you would they talk for here, whether not be so in be one no actually say this kind of thing they happen. If they collect something where the person land, but you know few give the people the need of waiting they need. Those place, everybody from there supposed to be rich. Yes, because God bless them with that wealth, and because of government, if people have taken it from them. Look at more than 70 oil wells are in this community. Who own those oil wells? If you watch very well, it's Funanis that own those oil wells. So if they come and tell you one Nigeria, there is something they are telling you one Nigeria for. Yes, because they have something that they need from you. That is why they are preaching one Nigeria for you. Any day they will bring and say that the whole oil in the whole territory concern Biafra dry. These people will kick you people like this thing and go aside. I swear to God who made me. This is the actual truth. So my people, I beg, may you not forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share this video for more updates. If you are from Ebema, let us know how they go for your area.